welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I'm Eric, and today this is going to be a quick unboxing of the Gagli cotton model men's boxer briefs. I am always on the outlook for excellent, high quality, very comfortable boxer briefs that also are affordable, and came across these from Gagli. They were nice enough to send these to me so that I could check them out and review them for you. We're gonna just take a look at what comes in the box in this particular video, and you can see this is a 3-pack and you've got 3 different colors there. Nice packaging, the way they're packaged, very premium looking. And let's take one of these out so we can take a look at them. And you can see they have this nice wide, super comfortable band, a lot of elastic. You can see the stitching on there, triple stitching. So it's going to keep its shape, and they're going to stay up, which is nice. Now this material is great. This is a cotton and model material, micro model material. So very nice and smooth. That's my favorite kind of material in boxer briefs. Now these are the sort of the trunk style, the 3-inch inseam. They also have a 5-inch inseam. So depending on your preference, I like the trunk style. I like the 3-inch shorter style. Some guys prefer the longer legs, the 5-inch, and they do have both. And you can see here the design, how they have a sort of a pouch design there in the front. So, you know, holds everything in place and provides sort of a pouch that keeps you separate from the legs, which is great. So it's nice and comfortable, and everything has its place without causing any chafing or anything like that. There's no tag. These are tagless, which is great. Just have the size and everything printed there so that you know. Again, you can see 44.5% cotton, 44.5% model, and 11% spandex. And that provides really nice stretchiness so that they're stretchy and comfortable, but they won't, as you're wearing them, they'll stay put around your legs. They won't slide up throughout the day. You can see the stitching. Oh, let's get that so you can see there you go. You can see the stitching there and see the stitching there. All really nice, high quality stitching. Now I'm going to jump over to a green pair because I want you to see the bottom of these, the underside, and it shows it better on the green in the crotch area and like your inner thighs. It's this nice mesh material. You can see that. It's a mesh material. It's a very breathable, allows airflow and ventilation just to stay dry and comfortable. And that is a really cool aspect, one of the features of this underwear. It looks to be really, really well made. I just love the material. I love the colors. The waistband looks nice and comfortable, and I like decently wide waistband so that it really, you know, holds in place. They don't slide down or anything throughout the day. I like that the logo is very subtle. It's there, but it's subtle. It's not a super in-your-face logo, which is great. Really great looking pair of men's boxer briefs, micro model boxer briefs by Gagli. And yeah, that's everything that comes in the box. That is going to be it for the unboxing video. Stay tuned. I will have a full review of these coming up. So if you want to know how they work in action and what I think about them after I've been wearing them for a while, then stay tuned for that. If you have any questions, you can post them down below. But again, a lot of them will be answered in that future video. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, keep up with future product reviews, and all that fun stuff. That is going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.